Quite a lot goes into a global manufacturing company, and you need systems to help streamline and manage all of these processes. International business requires more attention since they deal with foreign laws and employees, making day-to-day operations more complex. The most effective solution to controlling your global food manufacturing business is implementing an ERP into your operations. Global manufacturers dealing with food products need ERPs, like Goldfinch, to manage operations while adhering to industry standards effortlessly and effectively. It integrates all key processes into a standard system to improve efficiency in current and future activities. Not all ERPs work for international manufacturing firms. You'll need to understand your business needs and requirements first. So, how will an ERP implementation manage your global food manufacturing business? Stay tuned. Your global manufacturing company can benefit from implementing a practical enterprise resource planning solution and its processes in several ways. The solution provides real-time visibility into production schedules, inventory levels, and supplier performance history. It also automates internal manual processes and supports interdepartmental collaboration across your organization. Here is why you need an international ERP like Goldfinch to manage your global manufacturing operations. Inventory management is at the core of every manufacturing business. Having an effective ERP means you have more control over inventory components, streamlined scheduling, accurate demand planning, and perfect coordination throughout your distribution channels. These benefits allow your company to track inventory levels and make timely orders before stock runs out. Global food manufacturing firms need an ERP solution the most since they deal with mass production. It means that inventory received and going into production is quite massive and might need an advanced management system. Implementing an international ERP allows you to track inventory levels effortlessly while providing serial and lot tracking access. Manufacturing ERPs like Goldfinch effectively improve your company's production schedule. Using a master production schedule concept, the ERP system represents products produced in specific quantities, configurations, and dates. It helps with sales forecasting and orders by automatically executing production once the material requirement planning metrics are charted. To effectively improve production control, the system calculates the material requirements using inventory and bill of material data. It then achieves a transparent workflow by creating purchase orders and shop orders from both local and international vendors. International food manufacturing companies operate in different regions with different currencies, exchange rates, and of course, language requirements. You'll need a global ERP to handle these nuances and ensure operations in your food manufacturing plants run smoothly. The perfect ERP should facilitate currency translation across different regions, allowing your financial team to view and operate effortlessly despite using foreign currencies. It also improves financial accuracy across the entire organization by automating the calculations in currency translation. Implementing a global ERP allows your company to establish local language requirements. The system presents all global information in English if your company's headquarters are in the US, as one example. It eliminates the language barrier by making it easy for individuals to collaborate within multiple departments at multiple locations in multiple countries in multiple languages. Another reason you'll need an ERP in your global manufacturing company is centralized data. The solution allows you to manage different processes within your international food manufacturing business on a standard interface. It uses a centralized database from the various systems to store the data from multiple departments. Many benefits come from having a centralized database for your global firm. First, you get a comprehensive overview of all your departments and their performance. Identifying and highlighting critical insights into how your business operates is also easy. Managing the functions separately exposes your data to challenges like calculation errors, duplicate records, and of course, miscommunication. The food manufacturing industry is strictly regulated, with several compliance requirements to guarantee safe for consumption products. These legal requirements vary by region, and that makes it challenging for global companies to achieve compliance. Implementing an ERP allows you to keep track of the different compliance and business regulations of the countries you operate within. Most modern ERPs have risk and compliance management configurations to ensure your business complies accordingly. These features help with human resource management, recipe management, and even tax requirements at every stage of the food manufacturing process. In addition, it also helps maintain quality control, which of course is a primary success factor. Countless global businesses rely on Goldfinch to maximize efficiency while streamlining their operations. It's among the few solutions that provide your customers a high quality and individualized experience within the shortest time frame possible. Here are some of the reasons you need Goldfinch to control your international food manufacturing business. Improved inventory management. Goldfinch has multi-currency and multi-language support. It helps with compliance issues. It enforces the centralized database concept. Implement Goldfinch today to effortlessly unlock your global food manufacturing business's true potential.